And we have more breaking news out of Westlake tonight. That's where News Chopper 4 caught the aftermath of an explosion.
And we know that at least one person was badly injured there. NBC4's Camilla Rambaldi live at the scene for us. Camilla.
Hi, Colleen and Carolyn. That man was sent to the hospital earlier this afternoon. This is the apartment building right here on West 4th Street where that explosion happened. It was evacuated earlier. We have now learned, according to the LAFD, that the LA Building and Safety Inspector red tagged one of the units that was impacted in the explosion here on the second floor. 2 additional units have also been yellow tagged. This means that there may be specific areas that require caution. The LAFD says the rest of the building is cleared. The LAFD also says that they initially believed this may have been gas related. Arson officials are now investigating. This all happened after 2 this afternoon. Here is video from earlier when News Chopper 4 was overhead. You can see several ambulances there and emergency personnel. The LAFD says one man suffered significant burns across his body. When fire crews initially got here, the LAFD says there was smoke coming from the attic of this 2-story building. As a precaution, officials had shut down utilities in the building. The LAFD says a wall from the second floor unit into the hallway was damaged. Here is more from a witness recounting what she heard.
I was sleeping, and all of a sudden I heard a loud noise, like a popping noise, like a gas explosion noise, and the door was off on 24, and debris was down on the floor. I guess the maintenance guy was working on the crawl space up there, and something happened, and it was like an explosion.
The last update we got from the LAFD is that the building will be repopulated by this evening. Again, it is unclear what caused the blast, but fire officials believe this may have been gas related. In Westlake, Camilla Rambaldi, NBC4 News.